Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. I was thinking about something. I was thinking about the mirrors. I want to have them painted in the same color as the car. So that could be a nice project. I saw at the tutorial what it was for the W126. But it also works for this one. Checked it out already a little bit. Maybe I can... Oh, my nail. Okay guys, this one is some sort of trim. With the wind you can get it out, like this. And then you got a piece of foam, you get it out. And then you got 3 screws. I'm gonna get them out so I can lay the mirror on the workbench and I can clean it out a little bit. Lubricate it and paint it. Would be nice. So, no one to park. Okay, YouTube. Back at it again. A little bit of overkill. See it? Fucking overkill. Overkill. Un momento, por favor. Back at it again. A little bit smaller one. Perfect fit, loss. All 3 come loose. Opportunity to lubricate and maybe clean and paint it. What? You should easily get it out. Altijd spannend, you boys and girls. It's not gonna fall out, I think. Maybe it's gonna fall in. Okay, got it. Yes guys, it's gonna be that easy. Trim and all. Ah, I got it off. Take a look at yourself. There it came out. Okay. I'm gonna have you on the workbench. Zo, un momento, por favor. Well, there's die lace. Oh, zie je dat? Een beetje uit balans. Well, hello guys, back at it again. This is it. We've seen how dirty it is there. I could have cleaned that, of course, never saw it. This has to be the car in the color of the car. And there's a screw. This has to be painted and cleaned. This is the inside. So, give it a good clean. Take and I'll be back. Un momento, por favor. And see how we can get it out. A little bit of damage on the other side. Un momento. Wee. 226 live, boys and girls. Back at it again. Got myself some soapy water and a brush to start off with. You see how I even can get in there. Moet er uit elkaar kunnen, zou je zeggen. Je moet zien, dat is gewoon rubber. Could get it out maybe. It's rubbered in. There is a way to get it off, I'm for sure. Oh, zie je, er zit nog een knopje vast. En dat is die stelschroef. Dat zal een stelschroef zijn waar die Kent Bergsma het over had. Ik heb al een filmpje gezien. Dat laat ik nooit zien, dat was de onderkant zeker. Un momento, por favor. Hello YouTube, back at it again. There was a little rivet and it was stuck in there. Couldn't get it out, but when in the back you can push it through and pull it out. It's pretty important, but I think I can get this off easier. So un momento. And indeed guys, just like that, if you put that pin out, it's going through there with some kind of metal clip. Only I broke the metal clip. This is it. Can put it back. Ja, met dingetjes in the middle. Oh, I broke it. So that's too bad. But now I can clean it good. And put some oil on there. Zo, dit was niet zo netjes afgewerkt van Mercedes. Het is al een keer beschadigd geweest. En hoe krijg je dat er nog af, hè? Het is gewoon metaal, boys and girls. Just metal. I thought it was plastic, but of course not Mercedes. Nou, un momento. Hey, hello YouTube, back at it again. Please like and subscribe. Tutorial W126 dinges lamp. I want to paint this. Now I got some diesel. A bit a good clean inside. I'm gonna get some compressed air. Gasoline, diesel. When you're ever gonna clean it out, you have to paint it, eh? Also nice mechanica inside. Can clean it together a little bit. Then get some compressed air in it. It's gonna work like a charm. Un momento, por favor. diesel power. That's 47 years of debris. The compressor is at full pressure bars. Un momento, por favor. Hey guys, back at it again. I cleaned it out as much as I could. Pretty nice. Could not get it out and had to tape it off. And this rubber. I don't know how. It just used to be chrome and now it's all blackish. Maybe I can do something about that in a momento. I touched it up with a little bit of black paint. In a momento. Major damage this side. Touch it up. Hey, back together. Well guys, put it together again. Without the missing thing, of course. You don't really need it, I don't know why. Keep it in place, I think. So, un momento. Okay guys, back at it again. I'm gonna install it. And give me an opportunity to clean underneath. Oh, un momento. Okay, back at it again. I'm gonna install it. See how this works out. 3, 2. Should be an easy fix. In. Fits like a glove, boys and girls. Oh. Of course, you would think. Yes. We got him, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, we got him. This one too. Hey, oh, how easy is that? I love it when a plant comes together. Oh yes. So, tighten her up a little bit. Hey, 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 oh. Easy does it. Niet gelijk heel vast. Just like that, boys and girls. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for this tutorial if you would like to see more. Something like this. A little bit of wind in. And then this can come out. Oh, no. It has to be like this. Hey boys. I think it needs some glue. I was missing a dingetje. She's doing it. Oh, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I want to see the results a little bit. So I could clean it out. Nice. Painted it black. But we need to get that out. We moet ik wat plakmiddelen hebben and then we can paint it. I know how to get it out. It's easy to do now. So we lubricated it and did some maintenance. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next ride.